Video log number 2. I'm sorry.
Numero dos.
Numero dos. Nothing. It's almost 10 o'clock.
No fireworks.
No fireworks.
Led by the plan of Richard Prentice.
Oh, I wish I could see you in your stupid face.
You know, when these things start, you guys eat it.
Except they're not.
Rick, they're not happening, dude. They're not happening unless you dance.
Then
The firework dance.
You won't
just get up and go.
get up and go.
Wow, Rick.
Rick,
Friends forever, not.
BFF not.
Always is.
Sammy. Do you remember the bee that was chasing me? The carpenter bee? How could I forget?
It happened like 7 hours ago.
I know.
He loved Mama Bee.
Mom bee?
Mama Bee.
Oh, I know. It's my shorts. It's my shorts because they're yellow.
Really?
For a couple minutes.
Do you think this is the 60s? What is it?
I'll make that.